I'm Sarah Thompson, and welcome back to STL Live. My guest today is Chauna Payne, and we're talking about her new book, Heavenly Hair Ever After. And you were telling me that you sat on this idea of the book for 3 to 4 years?
Yes. It was an idea that I had, but I didn't know how it would be received. So I kind of sat on it. You know, you're supposed to have faith in the things that you do. But I spoke about faith, but not really acting on it. So once I did, I have really seen a lot of great things happen now.
Well, we obviously want people to buy the book, but we have to tell them what it's about, and we've got some photos too. So walk us through it. I mean, when you're looking at the cover, who are we looking at? Who is this character?
Okay. Well, this is Celeste. Celeste is a ball fairy princess who has a gift. And her gift has been given to her by her fairy grandmothers. And she has the ability to go out and do things for children that make them feel better about themselves, whether it be self-confidence, whether it be anything about their hair, about their appearance, just making sure that they understand that hair is not associated with beauty because she is beautiful, and just giving them something that they can look at.
And what I noticed, I think what's so distinct about the illustrations and just with her character is this jeweled head that she has. Tell me a bit more about that, and you can see that in the photo as well.
Yes. In the very beginning of the book, you see that she doesn't have anything on her head. She's wrestling with her own self-confidence and her own self-image with her mother. And once her gift is realized and she learns how to use it, that's when you see the jewels appear on her head. And it's almost kind of like that day of reckoning, like now I know what to do, and she's stronger, but you have to get the book to realize what her gift is. I don't want to give too much.
And I do want to bring up this photo because you actually have the character in the book, the illustration shows the jeweled head, but you actually made, and I want to pull that photo up, you actually made one for yourself when you do your speaking engagement.
I do, because I want to make sure that children and parents understand that the brand that I'm trying to represent is one that we're not focused on hair. So typically, I know that there are people watching like this is probably the first time they've seen my hair in a long time, because typically I wear wigs and headscarves when I facilitate the program, because I want to bring that normalcy to wearing wigs. And so when I go out and I promote this book, I make sure that I cover my hair, because that's not what it's about. It's about the beauty that lies within and what I'm there for and how I'm encouraging and things of that nature.
That's really interesting. What with the jeweled head? I mean, what is it made of? It's what type of jewels, and how did you put it together? It's so beautifully constructed. Again, if we can flash up a photo, it's lovely.
Actually, I am a big fan of Hobby Lobby and Joann's, and so I'm always there trying to see what works, and I'm always tweaking things. So the ball cap is just a latex cap, and I put that on and hide my hair. And I have wonderful makeup artists around me who I've learned from. So I learned how to kind of blend out lines and things of that nature, and bejewel my head, and the children love it.
I was going to say, the kids have to love it. They have to love it.
And one thing that I like about her is that she transcends not only those children who don't have hair, but those who do, because I'm sure that they know other children who may be in their classrooms, who may be in their churches or in their community that may not have hair. So I want to kind of show them that, these are children with the same emotions, the same wants and goals as you are, so they're not different, to kind of, minimize bullying and things of that nature.
No, it's a topic where, I mean, we put so much of our appearances as connected to our identity, and I think you've really addressed this in a really interesting and soft and nuanced way, especially for children. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank
Congratulations
you so much for having me.
With the book. And if you want to get more information on getting the book, we've got that up on the screen for you. You can go and purchase it or learn more about it at heavenlyhaireverafter.com. You can also purchase the book at etsy.com or on Amazon. But for more information about what Chauna's doing, again, head to our website at heavenlyhaireverafter.com. But don't go anywhere. We're going to have more STL Live right after this. Please stay with us.